Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking a common issue, PrizePicks deposit not working. Common because many people are facing this same kind of problem. If you have been facing difficulties adding funds to your account, don't worry, we have got you covered with a step-by-step guide. So let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the deposit process. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong data signal. In step 2, verify account details. Next, log into your PrizePicks account. Double click that all your account details are correct. If there are any issues with your login credentials, it might prevent your deposit from going through. Now head to the step 3. Check payment method. Now head to the payment methods section. Ensure that your selected payment method is up to date and has sufficient funds. If you were using a credit or debit card, verify that all details are entered correctly. Now step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve unexpected issues. Navigate to your browser settings, find the privacy tab and clear your cache and cookies. Then try the deposit process again. Now in step 5, check your system outages. Check if PrizePicks is experiencing any system outages. Visit their official website or social media pages for announcements. If there are down for maintenance, deposits will be temporarily unable. Now in step 6, contact support. If the problem persists, it's time to contact PrizePicks support. They can help resolve specific issues related to your account. Go to the support section on their website and you can reach them via chat or email. Step 7. Try a different device or browser. As a final step, try using a different device or web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can interfere with transactions. Switching to another device can bypass these issues. Here we go. If you found this video helpful for you, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. We will meet you again with another problem solving video.